Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Beach Bonfire soap. Those were the colors I'll be using. And here I'm just adding the lye water to the oils. The oils I use are organic coconut oil, organic and responsibly sourced palm oil, and organic olive oil. I also add castor oil to this. Just going to blend this up until the oil and water are mixed together. And this is the fragrance oil I'm putting in. This smells really good. It's similar to Old Spice. It has an invigorating, spicy fragrance. I'm just going to mix this in. And then I'm going to split this up into two different containers. I'm going to put in a red color for the first one. And these containers, the little cups I use for mixing the colors, are biodegradable. And these little spatulas work really good for getting the oil and the colorant out. And the other color I'm going to use is going to be a tan color. It looks dark in the pot, but once I mix it, you'll see. This is the red being blended in. And this is that tan color. It almost looks like chocolate. Like hot chocolate. I'm going to be doing an in the pot swirl for this. So I'm going to mix this tan color into the red color. And then I'm going to pour this into the mold after I tap out some of the air bubbles. And then I'm going to have a gold top, so I'm just going to drizzle the gold shimmer on top of this, and then I'm going to swirl it with a chopstick. Then I'm going to bring this up so you can see it up close. And we're back about a day later to cut the soap. We'll see how it looks inside. We have a really nice red and tan swirl. And there's the gold top. Here's another piece with the swirl. And the last piece here. And the small end pieces, as usual, I will save these and cut them up. That's what those look like on the tops. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. If you'd like a bar of this soap, It'll be available in my shop on January 1st. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.